So you're thinking about buying a home in South Orange County? Whether you've never owned a home before or it's been a while since you purchased, let's talk about the pros and cons. Hi, I'm Latrice DeLuna, your Lake Forest and Mission Viejo real estate expert. So when you're thinking of buying a home here in South County, review some of the pros first. Number one, your wealth can increase as you build equity in your home. Research from the experts and economists from the Home Price Expectation Survey believe that we are going to continue to see an increase in your home equity through 2023, averaging around 3%. Number two, you gain tax advantages. Mortgage interest is tax deductible as per the IRS code, and you can speak with your accountant or CPA for more specific information and numbers. This can be a significant tax savings when you're owning a home. Number three, according to CoreLogic, rents are going up, mortgages going down. 4, you can stabilize your payments. Monthly payments are relatively steady if your loan has a fixed interest rate, while your landlord, on the other hand, can increase your rent. And number 5, you'll have a secure place for your family to live and grow. You can also decorate and expand your home in a way that you like to create your dream home. And 6, you gain a sense of community. Homeowners are often more involved in the well-being of their communities. Many homeowners work together for better schools and less crime. Now, I have to be honest here. I could go on and on about the benefits, but let's also talk about the cons when purchasing a home in South County. Number 1, you need to think about maintenance costs. It takes a lot of money to keep a home in good condition. It's sort of like a car. If you don't change the oil, the car can blow up on you. Number 2, it can tie up your cash. Selling a home may not be possible during the first few years of ownership. Moving is more difficult and complicated, and you may not have as much flexibility in choosing a new job or location. Number 3, your home can fluctuate in value. There is no guarantee that your home will increase in value. In fact, there is a possibility it could decrease. Number 4, it obligates your finances. When you buy a home, you are obligated to make that monthly payment no matter what. So it's always a good idea to have a bit of a nest egg as a backup for a rainy day. So there you have it. Buying a home can seem scary, but I am here to guide you. I can take out all of the worries and pressure so that you can make an informed decision. I'm Latrice DeLuna, and as always, I'm happy to help.